What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and if you've seen the previous video, you know that I have the Google Pixel 3 XL here. We just did a brief unboxing, but now it's time to get this thing protected. So I have the OtterBox Series Defender case here. We're going to go ahead and unbox that, and of course place the beautiful Google Pixel 3 XL right into it and just kind of show it off so you can get an idea of what it's like to have the OtterBox Series Defender case installed on a Google Pixel 3 XL. And then we'll just talk about some other little minor concerns that I have about using this with the Google Pixel 3 XL. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so here we are with the Google Pixel 3 XL, and as you can see, it's very shiny. We've got this full glass screen here, and we also have glass on the back, so we're going to want to be very careful with this. It really needs some serious protection, and that's why we are going with the OtterBox Series Defender case. And these are pretty well known, very popular cases. And this is no doubt going to make the phone larger, but let's see what we have here. So we've got some serious setup here. We got some serious tech protection. You've got the holster here. You can just take that off. That'll click on to the pants there. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the Google Pixel 3 XL right into here. Now, as you can see, it's not going to just go right in there. You actually got to take the case apart. It comes apart in several pieces here. So we've got a rubber silicone outside here. Peels right off, nice and easy. We'll set that rubber portion to the side for a moment. Then you've got the plastic shell here. This is actually pretty cool. This has like a little bit of padding. I don't know if you could tell, but as I push on this, you can see my fingerprint indent remains for a moment and then goes away. This portion here, this plastic portion, comes apart in two pieces as well. Fairly easy. You got these little tabs here, and you just kind of pull on them a little bit, and they're kind of like latches. So you just go around here. Helps if you have some fingernails. Hit all those. The case comes apart in two pieces fairly easily. And then we can take the Google Pixel 3 XL and prop it right into here. Then we're going to take this part of the case and secure it on here. So now we got to go ahead and hit all those latches there. Make sure every single latch clicks into place so that when we get to the rubber silicone part there, that's going to go on nice and easy. So we've got that pressed in there. That is looking good. We've got some good plastic protection going on here, and we're just gonna stick the phone with that plastic portion right into the silicone portion here. So we're just pushing that rubber silicone right into place there, pressing everything in place like it should. This is going to fit really nice. We've got our volume rocker there, our power button, and this is pretty cool. We've got like this little tab here. You can use your fingernail to peel that open. The USB-C port is right behind there. So this keeps it protected, keeps it covered up. Let's see if we can peel that out. So there you go. When you're ready to charge, you just pull that tab, and then you can stick your charge cable right in there and get some more juice. When you're done with it, just kind of push it back. Keeps it hidden, keeps it concealed. Now, I do have a few concerns when using this OtterBox Defender case with the Google Pixel 3 XL. The first being, obviously the Google Pixel 3 XL has wireless charging, and this is a thick case. So I don't think I'll be able to use wireless charging with this case specifically. So I may have to look into a different case eventually in the future. Now, another thing I was worried about with this case installed was if the active edge on the Google Pixel 3 XL would work, and it actually does. So we'll go ahead and try that out. Just squeeze on the sides there. The Google Assistant comes right up. Now, besides that, there's really nothing else I can think of for the time being that is really going to be concerned when using this case. I think this is going to be great. It's really heavy duty. It's going to keep the phone protected. So I am very excited to be using this. And now I actually have to boot the phone up and get it set up so I can actually use this today and take some awesome pictures. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, make sure to leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, as always, drop those below and I'll do my best to answer them. We've got some more videos coming along too, so if there's any questions or comments you do have, I might put those in a follow-up video and see if it might help other people. Now, of course, this channel does take time and money, and buying this stuff, as you know, is not easy. It's very, very expensive. So if you can, hit that subscribe button. It'll support the channel. It'll let other people know, hey, this channel is pretty cool. We're gaining subscribers. People will see that it has some clout, and then we can get more people on board, and that'll help support the channel. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.